Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my Redeemer. Psalms 19:14. There is only one power and one presence, God, the good, all-powerful, and ever-present. I am an individualized part of this universal presence and one with this universal power. I am a perfect expression of perfect life now, and everything necessary to the fullness of that expression comes to me. Today, I definitely claim as my inheritance life, love, peace, joy, power, and an abundance of all good. Running through me is the silent power of spiritual wisdom, harmoniously directing my thoughts and actions. I am surrounded by an atmosphere of love, and I am guided and governed by the impulse of love. This love casts out all fear, for fear cannot abide in the same household with love. I fill my consciousness with a sense of the love of God, until my whole being is flooded with it. It blesses me, heals me, guides me, and sustains me forever. The life of God is my life, self-existent and immortal. The truth of God is my truth, unconditioned and eternal. The love of God is my love, complete and perfect now.